In this video, we're going to look at how to make front post double crochet. If you use UK terms, that will be a raised treble crochet front. So I've started here just with a row of 11 normal double crochet. I'm going to assume you all know how to make a double crochet, but I'll pop a link to another tutorial in the comments below. So I'm going to chain 2 to turn my work. I'm not going to count that as a stitch, just so I can compare the front post with a normal double crochet. I'm just going to work a standard double crochet in the first stitch. So the front post stitch is called such because you're going to work around the post of the stitch, usually in the row below, sometimes 2 rows below, depending on the pattern you're working. So I'm going to yarn over like a normal double crochet. Then instead of putting the hook there, which I would for a normal double crochet through the top loops, I'm going to pop it behind the post so that the post is in front. So that's why it's termed the front post, because the post goes in front. So then I'm going to yarn over like so and pull through and pull up a loop. So I've got 3 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to work the rest like a normal double crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through 2. And that's it. You can see that that has lifted that post up, and that's why this stitch is often used for cabling. So I'm just going to repeat alternating normal double crochet and front post. So you can see here, this is the stitch that I've worked around the post of. So when I work my next stitch, I don't want to work into that. I'm going to work into this loop here. That's usually the most common mistake people make when they're working with post stitches and normal stitches. They're getting a muddle about, you know, which way it is. You know, do I work into that one or that one? But looking at the back is usually quite a good way to check. So just worked another double crochet into the top loops, so that's for that post. So then I'm going to work under the post there. So just to show you one more time, yarn over, insert hook behind it, so you go, a lot of people when they explain this talk about going kind of front to back, back to front. I don't find that very helpful. I find it helpful to know that the post is in front when I'm working a front post double crochet. So I'm pulled up my loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's just do that one more time. So I'm going to work another normal double, yarn over, insert your hook behind so the post is in front, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on like a normal double crochet, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and that's really it. I'm just going to repeat that to the end of the row. Okay, so there's my first row done. So you can see all the front posts have pulled forward, and then if I turn it round, that's a normal double crochet. Here is the front post, and then these, which actually look like they pull forward on the wrong side or the other side, these are your normal double crochets, but because the front posts have pulled those forward, these kind of stick out. You can use these stitches in all sorts of combinations to create some really interesting textures, so this is a really good basic stitch to have in your toolkit.